Alright guys, today's video is going to focus heavily on um, today's assignment, Saturday 18, and finding the area and perimeter on the coordinate plane of the shapes you made yesterday. So I'm going to walk you through kind of how these responses are going to look. The instructions say for this assignment you will fill out information on your shapes created and submitted yesterday. This will include the color for each shape, the name of each shape, and the area or perimeter of each shape, depending on, if such and such shape you found the area of, and then this next one you found the perimeter of. Um, and then obviously watch the video for questions, but you're watching it now, so that's awesome. Go ahead and look at how I want you guys to fill this out when you answer it. So, Cyber Day 18, and I don't have it added in here right now, but you will have to fill out a thing to type your name in. But basically, like for your first shape, let's go back and look at my example from yesterday. Shape one, let's say we have a square, and then we can zoom in on that. So for that, I would say color is red, shape is a square, and let's say perimeter. You really want to save finding the area for the shapes, like if you've done a trapezoid or if you've done a triangle, pretty much anything triangle based, because we haven't gone over how to find perimeter of triangles. We've only worked on finding the area. So I'm going to say perimeter for my square. Let's go back over here and look at it. It was 4 tall, 4 wide. So it's going to be 4 by 4 by 4 by 4, giving us a perimeter of 12, 16 units. Be sure and label these units. Shape number 2, we had a triangle. So color, purple, shape, triangle, and let's say area for that one. So the area for this triangle, it was 5 tall, it had a length of 5, a width of 5. So we're going to do 5 times 5, length times height, or base times height. And then we are going to divide that by 2. So that would be 25 divided by 2 is 12 and a half units squared, or you could say square units. And that's basically it. For those of you doing composite shapes, probably find the area of that, unless you can find perimeter of one that you made. Uh, but you just list it as a composite shape whenever you have the name of the shape. So if you've watched up to this point, we're going to go over something I talked about last week in our Zoom session that very few people joined. Originally, I had said, each time you join a Zoom session, I'm going to add an entry into a giveaway we're going to try to do. Well, I've talked with the other sixth grade teachers, and we have decided we're all going to, put together some giveaway stuff for the end of the year to basically show you guys our appreciation for the hard work you put in on these assignments. I know it's been a rough go of it. It's not been a very pleasant time, and I know we all wish we could be back in the classroom. But I'm going to attach the link to the survey for that. The information will be there. Go ahead and fill that out, and we'll try and get more details out on the giveaway whenever me and the rest of the sixth grade teachers finish discussing that. But that's all I've got for y'all today. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll try to do a Zoom session here in about an hour and a half. See you guys.